AI-generated America's Got Talent videos are taking TikTok and YouTube Shorts by storm, becoming the latest trend to go insanely viral. In this video, I'll show you how to easily create these videos yourself using AI tools. Stay tuned, and let's get started on making your own viral content. First, you need this prompt template where you can replace human and animal for creating hybrid videos or other types of videos. This template includes many style options. Just copy your prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will provide you with a hybrid image prompt. Use these prompts to generate images first. Lumalabs AI is the best tool for this type of image generation, and it's free to use. In the settings, select Lumalabs Art V1 and choose your aspect ratio. Next, paste the prompt and generate images. In a hybrid video, you need two images: a normal human image, an animal image. Then, these images will be converted into a hybrid video. You can also use other prompts to generate content like baby dancing videos, etc. Here, I'm generating only a few images to teach you the basic concept of this method. Don't worry, it's a very simple and short process. After generating the images, ask ChatGPT to write hybrid motion prompts. These motion prompts will help create the magic. Next, you need an image-to-video tool like Kling AI or Runway ML. Open Runway ML and select your first image human. Then, for the second keyframe, select the animal image. Copy and paste the hybrid motion prompt into the tool and click the Generate button. Now you can see the results. Finally, repeat this step for all the other images to convert them into videos. If you're creating other types of videos, like dance videos, ask ChatGPT to write dance motion prompts. Next, open any video editing tool like CapCut or Filmora and import all your clips. You will need a reaction video from America's Got Talent, which you can get from their official channel. Cut out only the reaction parts, just as I'm doing. Make sure to remove their audio and music, keeping only the reaction visuals. After the reaction part, add your AI-generated magic or dance video that you want to showcase. Simply combine the reaction clip and your AI-generated video. Additionally, add background music and sound effects for the reaction to enhance the viewing experience. There's no need to edit professionally because the main step is already handled by AI. Once done, you can upload these types of videos on YouTube and TikTok to start monetizing. Thanks for watching this short guide.